commonly asked questions in relation to Greek citizenship or getting a Greek passport. Hey guys, how are you doing? How have you been? This is a video today. We're gonna answer some commonly asked questions in regards to Greek citizenship or how you can go about getting a Greek passport. Now, let's jump right into it. So the first question is it important, or is the Greek passport that important? Yes, if I may tell you that the Greek passport is one of the strongest ones. It is at number 4. It's ranked number 4 right now. So yes, getting a Greek passport is as important as having any other European passport, and you have freedom to access within Europe, 175 countries. Now, how many years does it take to get citizenship in Greece? You have 7 years for naturalization. Somebody like me, you live in Greece 7 years, pay taxes legally, and then you apply for a naturalization test. You do that. 3 years if you are a European citizen. You do the application after 3 years living legally in Greece, paying taxes, of course. 3 years if you're married to a Greek and have a child. Again, you apply for naturalization. You don't get just passport or citizenship because you're married to a Greek and have a child. You must show the knowledge of Greek culture, history, and politics. How hard is it to get a Greek citizen, to pass a Greek citizenship test? Well, it's not that hard as long as you put yourself and learn a lot of things that needs to be learned, because there are books that you can read. It's not hard. The hard part is the administration work, paperwork, waiting. You wait and wait and wait, and they ask for so many things, and they demand for so many things that you thought you will not be asked. So that is the hard part. The hard part is not passing the exam. So the next question is, hold on guys. So the next question is, what is on the Greek citizenship test? So on the Greek citizenship test, you have language, whereby you have to demonstrate your knowledge in listening, oral, and writing Greek. You have to be very acquainted with the geography, Greek history from ancient Greek, and you have to know politics, culture, and you have to know the Greek system in general. So you have to be well integrated into the system. Those are the things that are included in, or you will find in the Greek citizenship test. Now, do you have to speak Greek to become a Greek citizen? If you're looking at naturalization, yes, you must speak Greek. You have to speak Greek. If you're looking at born or by a Greek parent, then it's okay. If your parents are Greeks but you're living outside Greece, it's not necessary. You just have to provide your documents to indicate that. Or ancestral citizenship request, that's different. But if you're having a naturalization process, then you have to know Greek. Can I have 3 passports or citizenship in Greece? Of course, yes. Greek law doesn't limit you on how many passports you can hold, depending on the other country. If the other country allows you, Greece allows you too. Can I get a Greek citizenship if I was born in Greece? By Greek parents, of course, yes. If one of your parents are Greeks, yes, you can get Greek citizenship, or you can get Greek citizenship by descent. And the last one, you can get Greek citizenship if, and I mean a big if, you were born in Greece, attended, or you came to Greece when you were younger, attended Greek elementary school, and I mean a Greek school that demonstrate strongly Greek curriculum, then yes, you are entitled to apply for a Greek citizenship. And the last question, Can I get a Greek citizenship through marriage? The answer is yes. Again, you will need to be in Greece for 3 years, legally married, legally living in Greece, paying taxes, and of course, having a child with the Greek person you're married to. Yes, that way you can apply for Greek citizenship. But remember, you have to go through the test. So knowledge of Greek is important. You have to have that. So last conclusion on how you can become a Greek or how you can get a Greek citizenship is by birth, both Greek parents or one of your parent is a Greek, by descent, if you have an ancestral Greek roots, by marriage, if you have a child with a Greek person, and by naturalization, which is what I did, and you have option to have gone through Greek school, elementary school. Again, I emphasize on that, elementary school that demonstrate Greek curriculum strongly. Anyways, that's it. So till next time, love you. If you find this information important or you like what you see on my page, you watch on my page, just show some love by commenting below, and more love by clicking on subscription button. Love you guys.